Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about making dry fruit and dates laddoos or rolls. So you have to begin with by cutting the dates and removing the hard seed that is there inside. And apart from dry fruits, I have also added mixed seeds in this date roll. Okay, so the mixed seeds that I have put are actually from a ready-made mixed seed roasted packet which I got from the supermarket. So I added 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter, and this packet of mixed seed I have roasted on low flame, and it contains flaxseed, sesame seed, Halim or Aliv seeds, and sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. So all these seeds are healthy. You can see this kind of mix seed roasted 200 grams I have used, and these are healthy seeds. You can have a closer look. You can see sesame seed, flax seed, those black small seeds are Halim or Aliv, and sunflower and pumpkin seeds. So all these seeds are roasted now with a bit of clarified ghee, and I have kept them aside now on a plate so that they cool down. And you can see in the background the dates are there which I have cut into two and removed the seed inside the date. You cannot eat that seed inside the date, it's very hard, so you have to throw it away. Okay, so now next I'm roasting cashew nuts. So as I've told you, this is a dry fruit laddu. So I'm using dry fruits, almonds and cashew nut. You can also use any other dry fruits of your choice like walnuts also. And also I have added raisins. Okay, so now the cashew nuts are lightly roasted because we want them crunchy. When you're eating the laddu or the rolls, you want a bit of crunch. So I have roasted the cashew nut. Now next I am roasting some almonds. So now I have used less quantity of almonds, but if you wish you can use some more. Now I have again added a bit of ghee and roasting them just a bit so that they are crunchy, and take care not to burn them because we don't want them dark and too much roasted, so then they will taste bitter. So take care about that, and again collect them in your plate, and then we will move on to the next step, which is the dates. So also we have to grind this dry fruit because we don't want bigger pieces of almonds and cashew nuts in the laddu. So we will grind the cashew nut and almond and make a coarse powder. We don't want a very fine powder because we want to see the bigger chunks of dry fruits in the dates and dry fruit laddu. Okay, so you can see I have put the dry fruits in the mixer, and I will just pulse it 3, 4, 5 times and make a coarse powder of it. So now I am pulsing the mixer, and after 4, 5 rounds of pulsing, now the dry fruits have become coarse powder, not very fine, but little medium sized chunks are still there. Okay, now after this it is the turn of the dates to go in the mixer. Now do not put too many dates because then they will get stuck together and the blade will get jammed inside the mixer. Blade will not move, so put very little small batches of dates for making a pulp of the dates. And this you go on adding date mixture, you go on adding in the dry fruit mixture. You can hear the firecrackers in the background. It's Diwali time. I made these for the Diwali celebration. So now you have to mix the dates and the dry fruit mixture. Add a little bit of ghee in this so that the mixture gets mixed together with the grease, and also apply some ghee on your palms so that you can press the dates and dry fruit mixture and they will not get stuck to your palm. Okay, still it's going to be a little bit messy, but bear it. because you are going to make a sweet dessert out of it, which is healthy and everyone will like. So these kind of rolls you have to press in your palm and then press the upper and the bottom part also and give it a flat shape and at the top and bottom, and round cylindrical shape in the center by pressing the mixture in your palm. Okay, so this way you can make roll and you can give to your children as a snack. Also in your school tiffin you can give one of these, or to your husband in his office tiffin he can have after his meals. And you can also give this kind of a shape, round shape of laddoos. Apply a bit of ghee on your palm while making them. Okay friends, that's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe.